How to create a website for free. I'm Cecilia Elise Wallin from ceciliaelise.com, and this is a video about how you can create a website or a sales page or a landing page for free. I have made it really easy for you. What you see here is a template which you can download for free from my website ceciliaelise.com. Just click here on freebies and you can download this template for free. It looks like this. So what I will show you now is how you in Canva can edit this template. So you don't have to make a website about health and wellness, of course. You can easily change all the text and all the images here, and I will show you how. So let's head over to Canva, and here we have the slides for this website. So here you can replace this image. You can put an image of yourself here, and you can just, by clicking here, you can change the headline, you can add the subheader here and the text, and of course you will put your name here. And what you will do is you will add links. So here and anywhere you want here, you are going to add links, and you can do so just by, let's for example click here. If you want to add a link here, you just click on the link here and then you paste your link here. So here we have link, and you can just change this to whatever your link is. Let's scroll down here. Here you can continue changing the text and the image, and you can put your logo here. And here we have a mission statement template. I know for a fact that this is a mission statement that really works. So if you want to, if you haven't got a mission statement already, you can just fill in the blanks here. And it could look, for example, like this. This is an example from my website. So look at this template, and you can, if you want to look at this example and fill in the blanks here, and you will have an awesome mission statement. And here again, you are going to change the text, you are going to change the image. You can keep the text if you want to, of course. If it suits what you are selling or marketing, you can just keep the images and the text. But don't forget to add links. Add a lot of links, of course, so that they easily can reach your checkout or whatever you want to link to. And here again, remember to add links here and wherever you want, and replace this text with whatever you want. And here you can keep this quote. It's a really good quote, or you can replace it with something else. And if you want to, you can replace the image here. Here again, add your links and change the text, and you can change the image. And here again, you can follow the instructions here. I give you some instructions, and you can follow these instructions, or you can replace the text altogether, and you can change the image. And don't forget to put your logo here, and don't forget to add links on every page. And here again, follow the instructions or write whatever you want, and replace image and change colors and change it whatever way you like. And here again, here you can write your unique selling propositions, and you can change the text here to whatever you like, and remember to paste your links here as well. And here you can write your tagline, and you can add text and add your link again, of course, and change this till your logo. And here you can, for example, if you are selling different courses or different packages. You can list them here, so replace these images and these texts here. And this is the final page on my template, and here you can change the image and the text, of course. And if you want to add more pages, no problem, just click on the plus sign here and add more pages. So this template, you can get it for free on my website. Just click here on freebies and you will get this template for free, and you can make a website that looks like this, but with your text and your images.